Hey guys, so I wanted to film this quick intro because if you haven't been following me on Instagram, and you should, at Makeup by Ren Ren, because I post there all week, I announced a big surprise, and it's that I'm pregnant. So check out Instagram because I showed like the reveal post in terms of like, it was like the silhouette challenge. And I shared that I was pregnant. I am about 4 months along. And I also wanted to now share on YouTube my gender reveal. So the baby has been announced. So I'm going to show you what the sex of the baby is. So of course I had to just throw a quick intro into this because I uploaded the video like on Facebook and on Instagram without an intro, and I don't want to like catch you guys off guard. So I'm so excited for you guys to see what it is and follow me along on my baby journey number 2. So I'll be doing all the monthly updates and like hauls and packing videos and all that good stuff. So enjoy the gender reveal. Okay, so this is right before the gender reveal. So we have this set up right here. It's a little dark, but because we're under the pavilion. But so we have everybody here. So I have Sissy here and family. So we're gonna do the gender reveal, I guess, and it'll be quick. So just watch the cannons and watch the skit.
Okay, girls room. Daddy, tell her. Boys room. Boys don't room. Girls room.
I mean, I'm for the fellas, kind of, so.
Well, we're on the side right now. Right now. Let's go. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
It's a boy, in case you couldn't tell.
Oh wow, that's cool.
You got a brother.
That's Bella.
Is that your baby brother, Bella?
She's like, okay,
She said, what happened?
Nice.
You get a girl.
Aw, that's cute.
We deserve a boy. Oh wow.
So we're gonna cheers, just hang out.
So, whoa.
Adrian's all.
Yeah, so just cheers and toast to God's blessings, and we pray for a healthy and happy, event-free delivery. And thank God for small blessings.
Amen. We have already told you.